Hello and welcome to another one of our unboxing review videos. Today we're going to be reviewing the Titan TTB592SDR from Screwfix. And how much was this?
I think it's £20.
£20. We've got a few other Titan tools, but we never had a
I bought this to do a bit of sanding on van. I put some filler in, bought a van something, and it's a decent van but it's just been neglected a bit. Right, so
obviously if you're thinking about buying one of these, this is what you can
okay, so
expect.
As soon as I open it, I've got some pads, sanding pads. Coarse 120, sort of fine-ish, and 240.
Okay,
sort of fine-ish, one of each.
Right.
I've got to say, when I looked online, it looked like it took normal sanding paper. Which isn't a problem.
It's got like some sort of protective plastic on it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just why it's been shipped.
It's quite comfortable to.
It's got a really long cord as well.
This is quite important. Dust extraction. It's quite good. I've got a bag there. So, yeah, that's plenty long enough for that.
Yeah, it's a really long cord on
which
that.
is really handy.
And has it got a rubber plug on the end of it? Or is it
No,
just
plastic.
Okay, so you have to be careful not to drop that. It's got a
Dust extractor unit.
Yep, just plugs in the back. I guess you can plumb this up to extraction if you've got a workshop.
It looks like that, just
whatever you're doing.
pushes in there and clicks in, turns. That's for something else, a workshop or some sort of extension. So that's the base. Sort of like Daniel says, protective cover.
Oh, it's got like a.
It's got Velcro. So you'd have to use the Velcro pad.
So if you are buying one of these, it's worth getting some extra.
So if I'd have known that,
I should have picked up some more.
we would have got some more of these.
Yeah. Oh well. I don't know what that thing there's for. Some sort of things on the side.
Can we get? No, we might be in luck here because those
Does it
there.
release this a bit?
See that there? Yeah, there's one there, and there's one there. So that.
Hang on, that's my phone. Cool. Welcome back. We had a bit of an issue with the video then.
So on the base of the sander, it takes it's got like a Velcro surface and
hook and loop
basically.
Yeah.
But also, what I want to do is use this for some really fine paper. And there's two springs here. One there. And so you'd cut your sandpaper to size, and then you just put it in there and lock it down. So
let's get a good shot of that. So if anyone's wanting to do that, they know. So these things here release. This thing goes up and down.
Yeah. So you can use ordinary sandpaper.
Is there another one on the other side?
There is, yeah.
So there's one each side.
And it basically just clamps it down.
So are they independent of each other? Yeah.
So you can use the hook and loop, or you can use your own sandpaper.
Which is really what we wanted to do.
Right, which is quite a good design.
Quite a bit of it, yeah. It's a good design.
So I thought that's what you could do with it, but it wasn't initially evident. It looked like that online.
Yeah.
It didn't show these. It showed
The advantage of using these sandpaper squares is that they have holes and that you get the dust extraction.
But whether you can get like 1200 grit with these, I don't know.
No, it's a real fine.
The other thing I know from experience with these, especially with an orbital sander, is that once the dust gets in these, they just fall off.
Okay,
So having that facility there is really neat.
Yeah, I didn't realise it had that.
But it feels good quality.
How powerful is it? Does it say on the side? What does it say? So it's 180 watts, so it's got a fair bit of power to it.
The other reviews I've seen are really good. Feels quite substantial. Feels like it's got on and off button there. So it feels
nice and it's rubber and it's
easy to hold there. So yeah, we'll perhaps just show it in a little bit in use on what we're sanding down.
Yeah, I'll add a piece on the end of this. I'll add a video to the end of this just showing actually using it.
So to me, the key thing is ability to use sort of Velcro pads and to use your own sheets of paper cut down to size.
Yeah. So you can get the sandpaper that you need specifically for a job, and just clamp it in there, rather than having to buy the pre-made ones.
Yeah. So value for money, I'd say, is pretty good. We've used them before. Titan lasted for years.
Right.